Hi everyone, welcome to day 2 of our Euphorbia millii succulent. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create the small leaf. To begin the small leaf, we're going to start with a slip knot and make a chain of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now we're going to add an 8-inch 24 gauge wire with a slip knot, with a slip stitch, So we're going to place the 24 gauge wire on top of this thread and make a slip stitch. Now going into the chains and crocheting around the wire, we're going to make a single crochet in each of the first 3 chains. So that's 1, 2, and 3 chains. Continue with a half double crochet in each of the next 11 chains. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now going into the last chain, we're going to make 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. Now we're going to bend the wire down evenly and press it together. Crocheting around the opposite side of those chains, making sure to crochet around the wire. We're going to start with a half double crochet in each of the next 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now we're going to make a single crochet in each of the last 3 chains. It's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to make a slip stitch into the first stitch on the opposite side. We're not going to chain 1, but instead we're going to continue with round 2. Now we're going to continue with a slip stitch in each of the next 7 stitches. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Next, make a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Continue with a half double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4 stitches. Continue to make a single crochet in each of the next 2 top stitches. So that's a single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. And then we're going to continue on the opposite side with a half double crochet in each of the next 4. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. make a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, and then we're going to make a slip stitch in each of the last 8 stitches across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Make a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1, and fasten up your thread. And there we have our simple Euphorbia millii small leaf.